coronavirus reached Belarus. According to Belta agency, the first infected person was registered here. This was reported by the press service of the Ministry of Health of Kazakhstan. According to a test conducted at the Republican Scientific and Practical Center for Epidemiology and Microbiology on February 27, one of the Iranian students from Baku discovered the 2019 nCoV coronavirus. The patient and his contact were placed in closed rooms of the Minsk Infectious Diseases Hospital. The guy is doing well, the agency said. It was also reported that a Kyrgyz citizen contracted the coronavirus as a result of a 2-week quarantine on a ship in the port of Yokohama, Japan. This was announced at a press conference in Bishkek by the Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of Kyrgyzstan, Nolan Abdrakhmanov, according to the Kyrgyz service of Radio Liberty. According to them, the results of the examination given by a citizen of Kyrgyzstan on February 26 when they were infected. A Kyrgyz man is currently in solitary confinement in a Japanese hospital. The Embassy of Kyrgyzstan in Japan is in constant contact with a citizen of Kyrgyzstan and monitors his condition. Information from AHKZ.